Do you love the crisp air rolling around in the early mornings and those leaves changing to the beautiful golds and reds? Because I absolutely love the seasons. Each season has a pros and cons list for me, and autumn or fall is absolutely beautiful here where I live, and I thought I would jump on and share some of my ideas and tips to really change up your home in a really impactful and smart way without breaking the bank. And there could be a few DIY ideas and inspiration essentially for you to swap out some of those summer items into their beautiful autumn tones. Hi, I'm Jade and I'm from Australia. I am an interior designer, decorator, DIYer, and I help you create a beautiful home no matter on your budget. I want you to love your space. Doesn't matter who you are, where you live, there is definitely a way to love your space. So tip number one is layer in some cozy. This is just basically pulling away those lighter weight linens in the way of throws and removing the cushions that are in a lightweight fabric and replacing them either with cushion covers or new cushions in some more luxe fabrics, essentially velvets, boucle, adding in that chunky knit back from the cupboard. I absolutely love my chunky knits. I will probably be purchasing one more in a really specific color for this year. I absolutely love them. I think they're a great investment for the half of the year that is cool here. So layering cozy means essentially just layer in some blankets, some throws, some cushions, sometimes replacing your quilts and your blankets on your bed with those bit heavier fabrics. Tip number two is bringing in warmth and cozy through a color palette. So this is just swapping out those decor items, candles, bowls or vases into a color palette that is gold, burgundy, maroon. They are huge at the moment. Greens and some really beautiful warm beige neutrals. That is going to really transition you from that bright spark of summer or spring into the cooler months. Tip number three is update your tablescape. That just could be like a new tablecloth, some new placemats, or if you're in the mood for a fresh dinner set or cutlery, adding in a candle or a little like a platter, but in a specific toned color. So go and find like a really pretty, finding a green like ceramic bowl and putting a burgundy tablecloth. That's really going to just shift things from that summer white airy feel into a little bit more moody. I love a tablescape. I think they are beautiful. I love having a table set most of the time, just something pretty to look at. I would also swap out my fresh flowers as most things are starting to go to sleep, and finding some really beautiful dried arrangements in those beautiful warm tones. The burgundies and the greens, a little bit of golden bronze. They are just going to be stunning this autumn and winter. And tip number four is lighting. You didn't think I was going to get through a tip video without mentioning lighting, did you? I mean, it's everything, especially in winter. Lighting is important all year, has different needs. We have different needs and uses in the all year, especially in the winter, cooler months. I think lamps really do bring that mood and that cozy, and embracing the winter with a few extra lamps is always a good idea in my books. Embracing the transitional season and just adding in slowly here and there won't break the bank. You can swap things out from last year into this year. I have a stash in the cupboard that things are just generally switched in and out. A few cushion covers, a few tablecloths, some candles that are specific colors. We will probably change some of the lamp, like the glow, to a little bit warmer, they definitely will come on earlier. I have them set to, I think it's 30 minutes before sunset, but we'll probably go a little bit earlier through the middle of the year for us. It definitely gets darker earlier in the depths of winter. If you have found this video helpful and would love to share it with a friend who also would love to transition their home on a budget with a few little tips, that would be so amazing. I would love you to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.